Hello. Today we are going to make analysis of Spur Gear. So before making the model, we have defined some parameters which are important to make the Spur Gear. So these parameters are n, number of teeth, which we have taken 22, module, then pitch radius, base radius, addendum and dedendum. So now let's make two circles first. So now we are going to give the dimensions of the circle. So for that we will come here in the constraint and okay, here we have given it. Again now we will give the radius for the larger circle. Again we will go through the same process. Now we will double click the diameter here. So first we will change it to radius. After that we'll go to edit formula. Then we will select the RB, which is the base radius. Okay. Now again we will double click the diameter, then we'll again select radius, then we'll right click here and go to edit formula, then here we'll select RP. Okay. Oh, let's click it. Yes. Okay. Now we have to draw three lines from here. The first line, now we are going to give the angle between these two lines. So we will uh, select these two lines by clicking the control. Then we will go to constraint. Yes, and double click the angle here. Now again we will go through the same process. Here edit formula. From here we will give the formula that is 90 by n into 1 degree. Okay. Again we will go through the same process. We will select control, click and we will define the angle between these two lines. I will go to constraint, again double click this angle, and we will again go through the same process to edit formula, and here the angle will be around, we will define this angle as 20 degree. This is the pressure angle, it should be between 19.5 to 20, so we will take 20 degree here. So now we will zoom the model and we will try to make another circle from this smaller circle to the point where the this line touches the larger circle. So it will be around let's delete it, we will draw it again. Okay, it's okay. Now we will delete these two circles here. Now we will draw two random circles from the center like this. Okay, so let's define the radius. We'll go to edit formula and this will be RD. Okay, and again we will define the radius of the larger circle. The process is same. Will be added. Okay. Now we are going to trim off the unwanted parts. So we have trim off these unwanted parts, all of it. Now we will make the fillet. For this, we will press the control and select these two parts. After that, we will go to this corner and we'll drag this like this. Okay. Now we will double click here in the radius part and we will go to edit formula and we will put the formula here. The formula is 0.39 times the module m. So we will click OK. Okay. Now we will mirror this fillet, and for this we will again click the control and select this part, click this fillet part, and we will go to this mirror here. And we will mirror this along this straight line. So this is done. So now we will select this point, extreme point here, and select control, again press select this extreme point here. Now we will give a coincidence here, select OK. Now we will fill it first. Now we will try to trim the outer circle. For that we will go here, this is the quick trim button, and select this, click the unwanted parts. First we will zoom this area, then again we will go to quick trim and we will select this and this part, right. Exited the workbench. Now we will come to this pad option. So here we will select this mirror extend and make this 20 millimeter into 10 millimeter, and we will select OK. Zoom in the model. We'll go to part body, then to sketch and height show. After that, okay. After that we will select control and click all this part here, then we will okay. So instances is the number of teeth, so we will make it 22. Then parameters will be complete crown, then this reference element will be x-axis, then we will select OK. And we will zoom in now. select this face first, then we will click this sketch option, and we will make a random circle from the center, suppose this much. Now we will exit the workbench. After that we will go to this pocket option, then we will select this depth to be of 20 millimeter, then we will this mirror this extent, then we will select OK. So this is the gear we have designed here. So now we will save this file in format, and so now let's do the analysis in the ANSYS workbench. For that we will select this, drag this static structure. Now we will import the geometry. For that we will right click here in the geometry, and we'll go to import geometry option, then we will browse here, and we will select this Spur Gear option. Now we will go to model. So this is the geometry we have got here. So now we have to do the meshing. For that we will left click in the mesh here, and we'll go to sizing, and we will give the default size as 4. Enter. Then we will generate the mesh. So this is the mesh we have done. Now we will add a fixed support in this model, and also we will add the fixed support in this two face. For that we have to select the control and select the two interior face, then go to fixed support, we have to apply, and after that we have to again insert a force. We have to apply a force in any one of the faces. For that we will select this face. Suppose we will select this face, and we will select apply, and let's give the magnitude as 5000 Newton. Enter. Now in the solution we will insert deformation as we'll find the total deformation. After that we will again also find strain, suppose maximum principal strain, and again we will insert stress. Suppose we will find a shear stress. Again, if we want to find the strain energy, we can find it, and let's solve it. So here we can see the total deformation. This is the contour of total deformation. We can see the animation, how all the force is acting in this part, in this region. Similarly, we can see the maximum principal elastic strain, and again for the shear stress also, energy strain. So this is the analysis that we were trying to solve. So thank you.